Where can we almost begin? First of all, what I want to start with is the French word for old, or look it up yourself, because do not forget, I have my own mental dictionary. I don't always take the actual dictionary value for what it is. A-I-N, okay, ain means the weak and the old in my head, but it might mean something slightly different. If you put a T, it ain't, and it's not said. Angel in. AI, artificial intelligence. The N for me always stood for the crossing. Okay, it was stood for the crossing because inside the dog pound, which is Venus Saturn, is on this angle. This angle in the French alphabet is a santé grave. Grave in French means, how can I say the word? Grave. Oh my God, it's grave. It's like bad. It's, oh my God, it's so bad. This is a santé gueux. This is a santé grave. A santé gueux starts with AI and then GU. G and U is 721, which is 7 and 3 is creation. GU, like in the word gun, G-U-N. Okay? UG, ugh, is not a word, but it's like saying, oh my God. In French, on the keyboard, the percentage sign is on the 5. That equals to 6. The hat sign is on the 6. Excuse me, the percentage sign equals to 6 and 9. Okay? But the 5 word equals to 6. 6, 6, and 9 inside the division of the two sides. This is a 1. 1 divides everything. 1 divides this way, 1 divides this way, and 1 comes in other angles. When you put the two E's together, okay, which means the electronic angel, okay, what happens is it becomes an A inside this word. The A gets a hat joining the two sides. This is found on the 6 key. The 6 key where the 5 word equals 6. 5 is 6, 9 is 15. 6 and 9 are right in the top, and the percentage sign is known for 6 and 9. 15 and 4 is 19 and 5 is 24. 5 stands for who X is. Angel equals 39. ESP world, 3, 6, and 9 is 39. The RU family instead of the GU family in the word aigu. Okay. The next thing I want to jump onto is simple number look. 7 and 7. 5 and 3 is 8. But the opposite side of 5 and 3, 5 and 2 make 7. 3 and 4 make 7. Therefore, 5 and 3 is 8. Therefore, the opposition to 8 is 4 and 2, 6, which is the hat inside electric company, the cat in the hat. Okay. In the next, let me continue. Inside of that is numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 4 is 9. 3 and 2 is 5. Inside here is 6, 7, and 8 equals 21, which is the cube. To make it to a perfect 10, 10 world inside the center house is 2, 3, and 4, 4, 3, and 2. The cube is centered to jail. The cube is in the jail. The next number, we'll do the same thing, just a little bit different. We'll use 6 and 2. These are the only two, okay, numbers, sets of numbers, because 4 and 4 is not a set of number. It's a single number, okay? It shows two sides empty to no spirit. It's within inside the circle. So 6 and 1 is 7, 5 and 2 is 7, the same way 2 and 5 and 3 and 4 is 7. 6 and 2 is 8, 1 and 5 is 8. 1 and 5 is 6. The same thing, 5 and 3 and 2 and 4 was 6. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 and 1 is 3. 6 and 5 is 11. Pretty weird that 7 and 7 creates 3 and 11, that in the pool game, the 3 and the 11 are in the same house. 1 and 6, 2 and 5. Okay. What we're going to go on to next is the power lines. If you have a line going this way, you cannot have a line going on the same level. If you have a line going on the same level, you will hit it. If this level was the area 5, 4, 5, 6 across, therefore I'd have to put it here or I'd have to put it here. I could not put it on the line because that is the line that passes two sides. This one connects to here. This one connects to here. They do not touch or they will short circuit themselves. That's the basics connection and the reason for different levels. We're going to go to continue on this pool ball over here, but we're going to show it to you somewhere else. Okay, by the way, this is 14 over here, 1 and 4 AD. Pool ball, yellow 1 and 9. Yellow equals 9 and 2 and 9 and 2. 9 equals 42. 1 equals 3 and 4. Therefore, this is 7 and 2. This is 6 and 2 in the red house. Okay? 4 and 3 is 7. 2 and 3 is 5. 2 and 4 is 6. 4 and 4 is 8. Why are we doing this? Just for the simple count, the spirit of 76 inside 182. 182 is 91, 91, which is the spirit, which is inside of Venus, plus 10 for man. It's very complicated because all it is numbers. Yellow equals 92 equals 11 equals 2, or 711. Inside the game of craps, we know that this number 1 is who we play for. Who do you play for in craps? Well, since this comes out to 711, we have to say one of the reasons we play for it is because of the 1 yellow inside the game of pool, and that territory in the game of pool 8 ball, what does it mean in this galaxy or universe? And that's what these numbers would mean. When you go to red and black, okay, red is 27, black is 29. Now we're connecting energies together. Now if you're an electrician, you'll know a hell of a lot more than me. The average is 56, which is 2 moons. This one is what takes you around the Monopoly board and reconnects the Monopoly board. So if we can understand how things are broken up, because the world is no more than 9. It's 9999. There is no 10. 10 is an area for the totality of. In fact, there is no 1. 1 is also the area of the totality of all, and it's what belongs in between. Okay, so there's actually 2 numbers that really are only the totals. But you either use this one on this side or that one on that side. 2 moons, 2 months, 56. Moon equals 57. Always add 1 at the end. I always do that. Now we take the word 3. 3 equals 56. If we take the word red 3, which is exactly what it is in pool, red 3 equals 56 and 27 equals to 83. 83 is the church. It is the day of the creation of the 2 worlds inside the house of the steeple where the church lies, because it's what man sees, and what lies are in what man sees as deceit. 6 and 7 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 5 and 2 is 7. 74 is the center of the 36 scale of 666 of the roulette board total when adding from 1 to 36. The 666, 1 to 36, 1 plus 36 is 37. 666 equals to 703 or 763. Okay, and I'm not going to do that calculation right now. 666 plus 37. 37 is the end of everything. 19 is the beginning. 55 is the center. 46 is the east-west, but 37 is the last wing. 74 is Christ in the church, coming from number 3 red in pool. Now we go 11 red in pool, and it's 63 and 27, which is 90. And the Boston Bruins we're all holding number 90. 2 presidents are at 90. 90 is the creation of the numbers inside ESP, which is 3, 6, and 9, in which the 9 area, 18, 27, 36, will equal to your 90. It'll be 90, and then it'll be your area, which is 6, 15, which is 24 and 33, which would be 72. This would count for clock, man's clock, and then 3, 12, 21, 30 would be 33, 36, which would be 66, talking about the 2 worlds. So you would have 66 plus 72 plus, is that what it is? Let me calculate that game. 3 plus 12 plus 21 plus 30, 40, 50, 33 equals 66. 6 plus 15 plus 24 plus 33, 57. 24, the last 2 numbers connect man to the moon. Inside creation of 6, when you add 15 and 6 is 21, and 24 and 33 is 57. You get the total of 121. Excuse me, you get the total of 57. You get the total of 21, which is the cube. 57, which is the moon. Moon connects to the cube. I'd like to say Mark Cuban. Also somebody who bought the Dallas Mavericks, who play in Dallas, and there's something going on, and there's definitely a code inside here. The third one is when you added the 3 together. Here was the 3, here was the 6. The 9 equals to 90. Okay? 90 plus 66 is 156. 156 and 156. And let me turn it over. Why am I 50 equals 78? 78. 8 and 6 is 14 is 5. 7 and 6 is 13. 9 is 22 is 4. So 8 and 6 is 14 is 1. 7 and 1 is 8 and 6 is 14 and 9. Anybody looking for jail? Inside ESP, 9, 6, and 3 equals to jail time. 96, because it's a 6, it can always get the 8, or you can formate it to 11. Man gets 11. To get the 7 world, you need 11. To get the 10 world of freedom, you need the 44. And to get the 13 world in which they control you, equals to 77, which is the Christ. October also equals to 78. And the 12th letter in the alphabet, 1 to 12 added up, which is the L letter, which stands for the Queen, also equals to 78. In a long term, okay, this is 234. 3 times 78 is 234, plus 15 is 249, equals to 98. Okay, so let me go back. So we showed the same thing here, where we have now Christ, Venus, Church, and life, all in the 3 and 11 ball in pool, which came off of these numbers. Okay, this number 16 will come from the short count of the word 1, and this will come from the short count of the word 6. It would be 10 and 9 is 19, and X is 6 would be 25. If we take these two together, if you come to the first one, you would see inside the red 3 and the 11 stripe and pull is 11, 11, or 9, 11, 9, 11. The red balls and pull both come into the same numbers, but one says Jesus, one says Venus. 155 or 515 will actually repeat again. 11, 11 when multiplied, plus 11 plus the 5 and 1. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1. 5 and 1 is 6. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1 equals to your 11. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.